Learning individual moves on the Lyra is great, but learning how to flow between them is where things really start to click. This beginner combo that we're gonna go over ties together a few different shapes that I've already covered in other videos and is the perfect way to really start putting together a routine. Start with your circus mount, taking your time into a nice beat and up to seated. We're going straight into that figure 4 and bringing that back leg up into man in the moon. Play with some different variations here with your arms and your legs. Bring it down into secretary for this next transition. Whichever leg is on top, you're going to take that hand and reach up high and grab the top of the Lyra. Take your other hand, reach it just above your butt behind your back, palm facing up. Keeping your legs crossed, you're going to scooch off the Lyra to the same side as the leg that's on top, and you're going to hook into that leg. This brings you right into your lion in the tree. From the lion in the tree, we're going to reach out into that beautiful star, playing with some different leg positions. Again, we're going through man in the moon. Make sure we cross those legs and get into secretary so we can reach up high. Scooch off of the Lyra towards the same side as your top leg so that that leg can hook into your lion in the tree. Reach up high, pull your shoulder out into that beautiful star. Let's try it with a spin. Really make sure that when you're flowing that you're taking your time to hold each and every position. It might feel like you're sitting there for a long time, but you really want to give the audience time to soak in each and every move. This is such a beautiful flow that you can do as a beginner. Try it with some music and really start to make it your own. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.